Black Canary, a fierce heroine from DC Comics, has experienced a remarkable evolution, captivating audiences with her bold journey. Originally introduced as a club singer in Gotham, Dinah Lance, with her signature sonic scream, quickly became a dynamic vigilante fighting for justice. Her character's development is underscored by compelling storytelling that intricately intertwines her personal struggles with her professional commitments. Notably, Tales of Black Canary emphasize her close ties with Green Arrow, exploring the intricate dynamics of partnership and romance in high-stakes crime fighting. Through various adaptations, Black Canary emerges not just as a powerful character with formidable abilities, but as an emblem of resilience and empowerment, resonating deeply with readers seeking strong, multi-dimensional female characters.